Adding different headers onto different pages isn't as difficult as you might think. Let's go through how we can do it together. I'm going to add 3 different headers, one for the cover page, one for the table of contents, and one for where the content starts. The fastest way to do this is by clicking on the bottom of the page where you want to add a different header, and then going to Layout, Breaks, and selecting Next Page. And we're going to do the same thing for the table of contents page. Layout, Breaks, Next Page. Now that we've added 2 breaks, it split our document into 3 parts. I'm going to double click on the header and footer section. Now you can see section 1, 2, and 3. Next, we need to unlink the sections from each other, otherwise it'll still use the same header. To do this, I'm going to go to section 2 first and deselect link to previous. I'm going to do the same thing for section 3. Deselect. And now we can freely add the different headers for the different pages. Let's write cover page, table of contents, and contents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.